Hey guys, so today I have got the December Witch Casket box to show you. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it's a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do post it worldwide, it's different prices, so I'll put the ones that I do know down below in the description. This is really late, so I apologise. It's just been Christmas and stuff and busy, so I know that it's now January, but we're going to do the December box. So the theme for December is apparently Lunar Magic, and it looks like it's like a beigey creamy kind of colour and black theme. This is just a little booklet that tells you what comes in the box for anyone that hasn't seen it before. I'm not going to read off that, but that is what that is. And then right on the top we have our little art print. So this one looks like a little witch under a huge moon in the woods. Very dark. I'm not sure you'll be able to see that great on here, but this is the little witch girl and she's holding a little lantern. If you don't want to use these as an art print, they now do this on the back. So we've got monthly manifestations. It says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? Then next we have this, which looks like a little tote bag. Yep, and it's got moon phases on it. So just a little cream cotton sort of tote bag with the moon phases on there to go shopping with if you wanted to. Then we have our spell kit for the month. So this one is a manifestation charm bag kit. It contains everything you need to attract what you desire. So I'll open this up and show you what is in there. Okay, so we have our instructions. I'll hold these up in case anyone wants to pause and read. And then we have a little white drawstring pouch with a pentacle on it. We've got a little tiny paper scroll. We've got some rose hips and some bay leaves. And that is everything in the manifestation charm bag kit. Then next we have our crystal for the month, and this one is a rainbow moonstone pendulum apparently. So not just a normal crystal, but it's on a little pendulum. It looks like this. It's like a white, black and clear sort of colouring on this chain with a little bead on the end. So for this one it says, hold the pendulum by the chain and allow it to settle. Ask a yes or no question that you already know the answer to and see which way the pendulum swings. That allows you to ascertain the direction of your yes and no. Then you can ask a question where the answer is unknown and see what insight the pendulum offers. So that is that. Very cute. Then we have our enamel pin for the month. This one is a little moon with a cat sat on it. It does only have one pin, so it will spin if you wear it, but that is what that one looks like. Hopefully you can see it well enough on the camera. Then next we have this. We've only got a couple things left. I feel like this is a very empty box, so maybe January's is like a really big box. But we have a magical moon water bottle. It says, harness lunar energy and add it to your magic. Use this enchanting bottle to create and or store magical moon water. Oh, it is a pretty bottle though. So it's a glass with a moon on the front and little stars like embossed into it. It's got a little cork ball stopper thing. Very cute. I do like that. That would be nice like to keep things in as well if you do. Sounds really weird. I was gonna say if you do like wet specimen taxidermy and stuff, that'd be cute to like put something in. I don't know, but that is our magical moon water bottle anyway. Then next we have this, just a little wooden plaque hanger sign. This is just a decoration, I think. So we've got a hand down here and then the moon and then some little stars and leaves and stuff. I'm guessing that is just an altar decoration item. Then we have some incense. So these are Moon Magic incense. So these say, light the incense and affirm, I call upon the power of the moon to surround me as I work my magic. It doesn't say, oh it does, rose and myrrh, these ones. Definitely not my kind of smell, very floral scented. That is our incense. And then the last thing that we have before the scroll is this, which is a crescent moon crystal tray, which sounds very cute. It says, an enchanting crescent moon crystal tray to grace your altar and keep your small crystals close by. This tray is also useful to place your crystals on your windowsill or outdoors during good weather to cleanse your crystals in the moonlight. So let's have a see. Okay, it's wooden. Well, it is quite cute. So it's a little just wooden crescent moon shape, and then it's got engraved crystals and little sparkly stars up there as well. So that is our little moon tray. You could use that as a trinket tray too if you wanted to, put your rings in it or something like that next to the sink. And then we have our little scroll, so I will open this in case anyone wants to pause and read it. And this one is Magical Phases of the Moon. So we've got new moon, waning crescent, waxing crescent, third quarter, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, and waning gibbous. We'll put this here. And yeah, that was everything in the December witch casket, so I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the little moon phase tote bag, the manifestation charm bag kit, the crescent moon crystal tray, the Moon Magic rose and myrrh incense, the rainbow moonstone pendulum, the little moon and cat pin, the art print, the wooden little hanging decoration, the magical moon water bottle, and the scroll. So all of these things in the December witch casket box. Like I said, a little bit empty for me this month personally. Definitely not one of their bigger, fuller boxes. Sometimes they do that though when they're about to have like a really big full box, so hopefully that is why. Definitely not one of my favourite ones, but you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I'll put all of the information in the description for them in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.